What's up, everybody? It's game time, and I'm taking my Leaf journey, my Leaf hobby box journey back a year. I haven't pulled anything. Well, yes, I did. Yes, I did. I take it back. Check out my video of breaking this, because I did have a big pull in that. Other than that, nothing too crazy has come of all this Leaf opening, but it's been good enough that I want to continue it a bit more. So we're going to go back a year and check out 2017. There's lots of good prospects. Aaron Judge is not the only good rookie from 2017. The checklist for this product, for Leaf Draft, Metal Draft from last year, is really solid. So I'm hoping that some of those names will come out of this. There are 6 autographs per box. Just as I've done the other boxes, I'm going to try to pull these out without looking at the cards. And then we will just unveil them one at a time. It won't take very long. These are quick breaks, so for anybody who's a fan of the faster break, you'll like this. Much better than me going slowly through a box of Bowman's Best. Alright. Let's see here. There's the bottom. It feels weirdly, without looking at this, it feels weirdly thin for 6 cards. So maybe there's a couple of redemptions in there. I don't know. We're about to find out, because the first one is paper. Oh, it's just an advertisement. 20% off your Beckett authentication submission. So if anybody wants to use this, I don't know if the offer's still good, but there you go. There's the coupon code and the link. So there you go. Alright, so that was not a redemption. Our first card is Acevedo. That looks to be like their base. Yeah, not numbered. So pretty good start. That's one thing I hate about this. I love that they have these in top loaders. I hate how filthy the top loaders come out. I don't know what they're putting in there. It's just like covered in stuff. So I spend a lot of time just trying to clean off the top loader. But anyways, good looking Acevedo on card autograph. Good start. There's one. Number 2. James Nelson, pink. That is numbered 6 out of 10. Drafted by the Marlins in 2016. Right-handed, hitting shortstop, batting .301. Just 7 home runs, but 81 RBI and 66 runs scored. OBP of 352 through 141 minor league games. So there we go, James Nelson. Number 3. Garrett Hampson, wave. So I guess silver wave. It's not numbered, so I guess it's their base wave. Love the wave cards. Number 3. Alright. Number 4. This feels, no, there might be something thick in there. I don't know. Oh, Tanner Houck, Future Stars. Again, not numbered. This box is not delivering nearly the number of numbered cards that I pulled out of the draft from 2018 and from the football. So that's a little bit disappointing. The names are pretty solid though. Lord, I've already lost track. That's 4. We got 2 more. Oh, Castanura. Pink, and that one is number 10 out of 10. So this is a solid pull. Happy with that. Alright, last one. Drum roll, please. Oh, sweet. Royce Lewis top picks. So 2 good ones there at the end. Unfortunately, this is not numbered. I wished it was, but I wished it were. Hang on, let me clean off the top loader. There we go. That helped a little bit. So there we kind of came in there at the end for a win. I'd call this pretty solid. Garrett Hampson, Tanner Hall. I mean, the only person I didn't know was James Nelson. So, pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. Still kind of, on the fence about the whole leaf experiment. It's been fun though because it's completely new and different for me. So, I don't know what I'll do next. I think there was one more leaf box I had my eye on. So, if you can think of one you think I should open that is like just really good, seems to really deliver the hits, comment below and let me know, and I'll grab it and open it for you guys. All right, take care. Hope everybody's having a great day, and I'll be back soon.